Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 11th, 2025, and we're diving into S&P Global's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. S&P Global has just released their earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. S&P Global reported a net revenue of $3.592 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024, marking a 14% increase compared to the same period last year. John, can you elaborate on this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was driven by strong performance across all divisions, particularly the ratings division, which saw a 27% increase. This contributed significantly to the overall revenue increase. Additionally, the adjusted earnings per share for the quarter came in at $3.07, which is a 20% increase from the previous year, surpassing analyst expectations of $3.41.
That's impressive. And how did this translate into profitability?
The company's net income for the fourth quarter increased by 52% to $880 million, with a GAAP diluted EPS of $2.85. The adjusted net income rose by 18% to $1.163 billion, reflecting strong operational efficiencies and cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How did S&P Global perform in terms of margins?
The company reported an operating profit margin of 36.5% for the fourth quarter, which is an increase of approximately 8 percentage points. The adjusted operating margin was even higher at 46.7%, primarily due to the growth in the ratings division. This indicates that S&P Global is effectively managing its costs while driving revenue growth.
Looking ahead, what is the company's guidance for 2025?
S&P Global has provided a positive outlook for 2025, with expected revenue growth between 5% and 7%. They also anticipate an adjusted diluted EPS in the range of $17 to $17.25. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued profitable growth, supported by strong market demand for their products and services.
Strategic initiatives and shareholder returns. John, can you shed some light on S&P Global's strategic initiatives and how they are returning value to shareholders?
Sure. One of the key highlights is the vitality revenue, which accounted for 11% of the total revenue in 2024. This includes revenue from new or enhanced products, showcasing the company's innovation and adaptability. In terms of shareholder returns, S&P Global returned over $4.4 billion in 2024, including $1.1 billion in dividends and $3.3 billion in share repurchases. This demonstrates their commitment to delivering value to shareholders.
That's quite significant. How does this align with their future plans?
Moving forward, S&P Global plans to continue this trend by targeting to return 85% or more of adjusted free cash flow to shareholders in 2025 through dividends and share repurchases. This is a strong signal of their financial health and strategic focus on rewarding shareholders.
CEO's vision and market position. Let's discuss the leadership and market position. Martina Cheung took over as CEO on November 1st, 2024. How has the transition been?
The leadership transition has been smooth and successful. Martina Cheung has already made a significant impact, emphasizing the strength of S&P Global's businesses and their strong market position. She has engaged extensively with customers and partners, reinforcing the company's role as a critical provider of benchmarks, data, and insights.
How does this position S&P Global in the market?
S&P Global is well-positioned to capitalize on market opportunities with a strong reputation and a comprehensive suite of products and services. Their focus on innovation and customer engagement ensures they remain a leader in the industry, ready to tackle the challenges and opportunities of 2025 and beyond.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, S&P Global has delivered a strong performance in 2024 with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and shareholder returns highlight their commitment to long-term success. John, any final thoughts?
S&P Global's robust financial results and strategic focus position them well for continued growth. Their leadership and market position are strong, and they are well prepared to navigate the future. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in 2025.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on S&P Global's performance in the comments below. Until next time.